Hey there, Regina from reginapaula.com, and this video is on how to set your Favicon on your WordPress site using the Divi theme. And so the Favicon is just that little icon that you see on your tabs in your browser. And so I was working on a client site, and I'm looking at her Favicon, and it looks like the Shopify one. So I'm thinking we had some Shopify issues with her site, because this is actually a WordPress site and we are using Shopify Lite to add her products in. And Shopify Lite, the reason why we're using it is because her long-term strategy is really just to be able to scale. For scalability, we're using WordPress, but with Shopify Lite, you're able to use the back end for the inventory and the shopping, but display it on the WordPress site, and it's a lot cheaper than getting the basic or the other two versions. So this one is just $9 as opposed to $29 and $79 for the Shopify sites, which still works and is fine, but we just decided to do this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the theme customizer so that we can change the Favicon. And so if you're logged into WordPress and you're on the main page of your website, you can simply just go up to your the contextual menu up here and go down to theme customizer. Otherwise, if you're inside your dashboard, what you can do is just go to appearance and then just go to customize, and that'll take you to the theme customizer. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to go to general settings, site identity, and then on the bottom here you can select your site icon. And here it says that the icons should at least be 512 by 512, and we've already got one uploaded, so, and it even tells you here. And we'll just use that. Oh, and of course it's too small because it says it was going to use 512 by 512, but I'm just curious what would happen if we actually used that, and it still works. Cool. And so it changed. And so I'm just going to go and publish. So now I know that if I go into another tab, I can see it and I'm like, oh, there's that website. It's easy to navigate to. And so that's it. And so that's just setting your Favicon within Divi in WordPress. Thanks, guys.